Hello, my fellow eggheads. If you're looking for what kernel you have on your Linux system, well, then you've come to the right place. So I'm going to show you from the command line, but in order to do that, then I'm going to have to get a lot smaller. That's better. Okay, so I'm going to show you from the command line because that's my favorite place to do it because I think it's the easiest. So using my favorite operating system, Linux, we're going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to type in uname dash R, and then I'm going to hit enter. As you see, it gave it to me right away. If you're looking for a slightly more descriptive version here, then you can just do -A and hit enter, and that will give you a little bit more of a readout. I'm going to go ahead and clear that all away now, like so. Now, keep in mind, if you are looking for what a release of Linux you have, or some more descriptive things about the operating system themselves, then we have that video in the description down below. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.